Looking for the best mirror dash cam in 2026? Whether you want crystal clear 4K recording, advanced safety features like ADAS and blind spot detection, or just a smarter rear-view experience, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best mirror dash cams that deliver performance, reliability, and value for your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. We have the Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. This is a premium option featuring a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which means excellent low-light and night recording performance. You get 4K front recording and 1080p rear, along with color night vision, which is a big upgrade over standard infrared. It also includes ADAS and BSD safety features, voice control, and super-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick file transfers. Pros: outstanding night vision with STARVIS 2, 4K plus 1080p recording, ADAS and blind spot detection, voice control plus fast Wi-Fi. Cons: slightly premium price. Setup may take time for beginners. If you want top-tier performance and safety features, this is one of the best mirror dash cams you can buy in 2026. Number 2. 12-inch 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam, generic model. We have a 12-inch mirror dash cam with 4K front and 2.5K rear recording. This model packs a lot of value with features like ADAS, BSD, and LCA, plus built-in GPS, voice control, and parking monitoring. It's a solid all-rounder for everyday drivers. Pros: high-resolution front and rear cameras, multiple smart driving features, GPS and parking monitor included. Good value for money. Cons: brand reliability may vary. Night performance is decent, not the best. A great budget-friendly option with premium features. Number 3. Pelsee P12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. This one combines 4K front recording with 1080p rear, plus a smooth 12-inch touchscreen display. It also features fast 20 megabytes per second Wi-Fi downloads, making file transfers super convenient. You also get ADAS, BSD, GPS, and voice control, basically everything you need in a modern dash cam. Pros: smooth and responsive touchscreen, fast Wi-Fi transfer speeds, reliable performance, solid feature set. Cons: rear camera limited to 1080p. Slightly smaller storage, 32 gigabytes included. A balanced option with great usability and performance. Number 4. AZDOME PG17 Max Mirror Dash Cam. We have the AZDOME PG17 Max. This dash cam stands out with its AR driving effects, giving you a more interactive driving experience. It records in 4K front and 2.5K rear, and includes ADAS, BSD, and lane change assist. Plus, you get a 64 gigabytes card included, which is always a nice bonus. Pros: AR driving features. High-resolution dual recording. Includes 64 gigabytes storage. Feature-rich. Cons: AR features may not appeal to everyone. UI can feel slightly complex. Perfect for tech lovers who want something a bit more advanced and interactive. Number 5. Dual Sony STARVIS 2 4K plus 4K Mirror Dash Cam. We have a powerhouse, the dual Sony STARVIS 2 4K plus 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Yes, you heard that right, 4K recording on both front and rear cameras, which is rare. Combined with HDR night vision, ADAS, blind spot detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring, this is built for maximum security. Pros: true 4K front and rear. Excellent night vision with HDR. Advanced safety features. 24/7 parking monitoring. Cons: likely more expensive. Higher storage usage. If video quality is your top priority, this is the ultimate choice. And that's a wrap on our list of the top 5 best mirror dash cams of 2026. No matter which one you choose, Upgrading to a good mirror dash cam is a smart move for better safety, clearer recordings, and extra confidence on the road. If you want me to compare any of these models in more detail or test them side by side, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.